So came down to the Genesis to test drive the GV70. We have a variety of colors. This will be the one I'll be test driving today, the diesel model. Immediately the difference we can see from a diesel gasoline is the exhaust tip and the bumper for that same reason. So there are different calipers, bigger one for the 3.5, just a regular one for the diesel. The front looks identical except for the rear. Genesis has made it into a complete vacant empty room, like so. There is nobody.
스마트 자세 제어 시스템.
God, check out that animation and the sound. Let's fire it up. And once again, the model we're in is GV70 diesel 2.2. It has 21-inch wheels. And when I was listening to the demo video there, it said that if I input my body information, it will make adjustments accordingly. It said I want to use that feature. Wonder what that is like. And it's changing just like that. Okay, right there, smart posture care. Recommends a posture that fits the driver's body type and provides clinical analysis for a healthy back. That's very nice. Enter driver's information. All right, I fall into that category. Sitting height, average, tall. Yep, so let's go adjust the posture. Oh, wow. Wow. I am really blown away right now. It is perfect. It's how I would drive my car usually. I love this frameless mirror, by the way, and all the high pass, which is the expressway card, is all integrated right here. Oh, it's right there. Heated steering wheel. Wow, you can even adjust the levels of the heated steering wheel. It's the first time seeing that. All right, let's get moving, and we'll make the necessary adjustments and moves from that point on, I guess. All right, immediately I can feel the crazy torque of 2.2 diesel. And for auto hold, you have to press it to engage it. So these buttons here are physical, these portion, whereas these part right here is all touch sensitive. And in Korea, it's not hard to find other Genesis on the road. It's really quiet. Wow, feels smooth. I don't hear that conventional or traditional rattle of the diesel engine. There is no note of that. And this flag type glass right here, it really helps a lot when it comes to clearing out the blind spots. It's really useful. All right, so you can change drive modes right here. Now we put that onto sport. I feel the bolsters squeezing in, and unlike 3.5 turbo model, there is no Sport Plus mode, and there is the ergo motion stretch. So I always like the whole body stretch. The key fob, the same as G80 and GV80. All right, and as for the steering wheel, this rugby type, we've seen this on GV80. It's quite thick and it's quite big and large, but again, nothing that bothers me in any way. So when I'm just casually driving around in city roads, perhaps I could hear some of the diesel engine noise kicking in, unless you really have to point out that noise of the diesel engine. I think it's really quiet. And those radars are detecting my eyes, so makes the 3D clusters look accordingly. So whichever the direction you're looking at, that 3D gauge cluster is always there. there are different depths for such as the navigation, as for the tachometer, as for the oil level, and as for that stop and go. It's much more faster and quicker than Kona N-Line. It fires up the engine right away. You have the power, you have the torque, responsiveness, the brakes. It is just a beautiful city commuter. And I want to show you. So that's what it sounds like from the outside. It's quite noisy because it's a diesel engine, but it's just more amazing how quiet it is, how effective it is, the GV70 of canceling out the noise into the cabin. Let's get back because I can't afford to be late. Once again, this hood sticking out, still controversial, something that no brand has tried whatsoever, but Genesis has done it on purpose. And that's because it takes care of a lot of parting lines, and it certainly is something uniquely GV70. We'll see what the history will say about that. So active sound design is also embedded. Ooh, can you guys hear that? Oh, there is brake mode. So you can have it on comfort and sport, optimized for dynamic driving style, an option of whether or not you will allow the coasting. Some people don't like the feeling of it, but it helps with the MPG, obviously. We're here already. Didn't have the time like the usual to go through all the features, but hopefully this POV video was entertaining as it was to me. I really had a lot of fun driving this car. The latest technology with diesel engines, it's really changing my stereotypes on them. Diesel to me was not so much connected with the word performance, but it's there. This might be really the very last luxurious diesel engined car. Alright, so that's end of it all. So that's the smart car key.